Hello everybody, so it's time to draw the winner for the SG907. I've hit 2,222 subscribers. A huge thanks to everybody that's helped and is supporting me. It's growing so quick, I've actually found it difficult to get this video out quick enough, so that's a really great thank you to everybody. Okay, so what I've done is, because my printer's broken, is I have cut up 44 squares and put a number on each one. So you've got all these. And on my computer I've got a spreadsheet with all the names and numbers next to the names. So what I'm going to do is fly my Mini 2 over all the squares, and the last number to remain in the tin is going to be the winning number, and then I'm going to cross-reference that with my computer because my printer's broken. Okay guys, so let's head outside and see who wins. Okay guys, so all the numbers are in, and the Mini is in the air. Da, 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 da. Can I have some... Whoa! Nearly landed. There's still a few left in there. I've got a feeling they're going to come out in a clump. Oh! Whoa, 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 whoa! I accidentally moved the gimbal around. Let's just confirm with the Skycam that there's one left. This is going to be our lucky winner. So I went and grabbed the number, and when I came back to the camera to show it to the camera, I accidentally turned it off. I didn't realise. So you can't actually see what it is. But the winning number is... number 1. And after looking on my computer, I can confirm that the winner is Daniel Gaiani. Congratulations! They want to fly this around the mountains around their house, so it should be a lovely location for it. Congratulations, I really hope you enjoy it. I'm going to get in contact with you shortly, and this is going to be on its way to you. That's it for this video guys. I hope to see you in the next one.